kids, so in previous class we came to know about the elements of a letter. So in today's class, let us see how to plan and write a letter. So for that, let us once again go through the elements of the letter. We can discuss about it and about the sensory details. So we plan and write a letter that describes an event using the sensory details. So let us take an event of the birthday party. So if we take the event of a birthday party, then what sensory details can be added in that birthday party? So coming to the birthday party, what can we see in a birthday party? We can see the balloons, and also we can see a cake, we can see friends, decoration. So in this way we can see many things. So you can describe any one of these or all in using 2 or 3 sentences. So you can describe what you had seen in your birthday party. And come to the, after seeing, we can go with the smell. So what did we smell? So because we went to a birthday party, normally the smell of the cake, even some food items, like if they might have cooked some non-veg items or vegetable, whatever it might be, we get sweet smells, the fragrance of that. So we can say that the smell of the food smell, the food smell which we get. So even the smell from the dishes, it gives us really good smell. So regarding that smell you can write in that. And then what we hear, normally we hear all singing. Yes, all singing the birthday songs, or all enjoying, dancing, some music. So anything, whatever we hear in that party, we can write about that music, the songs, whatever they are singing. So basing on that, I heard someone singing, I heard someone clapping. So like that, anything, whatever you hear, you can write. Now, what did you taste? Normally you can say that I tasted many things, like I tasted a cake, it's really very delicious, yummy, something. So you can use the words like yummy, tasty, these words which show us that you tasted. Okay, so here, so I can say that it's what is audible to you, that everything you can write. And coming to that, how did you feel? Normally when you go to a birthday party, we can't say that I felt very unhappy. You can say that I am happy, very enthusiastic. You feel something surprised if they do some surprise things. Yes, so whatever you had felt there, everything. So how did you feel after eating? How did you feel after dancing? How did you feel after enjoying something? It's a surprise in the party. Basing on that, whatever you can feel, you can write there. Okay, now these are the things which we feel according to the sensory details in a birthday party, which is an event. So birthday is an event about which we are going to write. Okay, now let us go with the details of the letter. First, I want to write address. So your address, whatever your address is there, you want to write the address, then you want to write the date when you are writing. So I think today, whatever the date might be, so it is, so the format can be, okay, something like December, comma 2020. So date you can write according to the date which you are writing on the letter. Okay, so December 2020. After the completion of the date, you can leave one line, a small line, some space or some gap you can leave. Then you can write dear, to whom you are addressing the letter, maybe your friend name or anything, whatever you are writing, the name of your friend or something, and write a comma. Then comes your introduction. How are you? So you can ask some questions like how are you? What are you doing? How is your health? How is your parents' health? How is your family? I want to explain. So then after asking some questions, you can write that I want to explain about a birthday party. So I want to explain you about my friend's birthday party. So then in the body of the letter, you want to write about the sensory things. Means you want to use the sensory details and explain how you enjoyed the birthday party. So hope you also attended to some birthday party, and hope you are celebrating your birthday party next week. So are you going to invite me, or how you are going to celebrate? Basing on that, you can write a letter to me. I am waiting for your letter. Such things you can write in your third paragraph, that is the conclusion. Then comes, after the conclusion, you want to write yours faithfully, yours friendly, which is the last one, which we call it as the detail. One of the detail, like after the conclusion we can say it is a closing. So the closing is also very important. Afterwards you can write your signature. So basing on this, try to complete your volume. So let us see the volume, page number 21, where we want to write, we are planning a letter. See, write a letter on the topic my Diwali celebration. So here the topic is given that Diwali celebrations, using the details from the 5 senses. So try to complete it accordingly. Just write your address, the date. So lines were left for your date and also the introduction. Then comes the body of the letter, and the ending comes yours faithfully. In the last 2 lines you can write yours faithfully and the name of yours. And in the last 2 lines of the body, so for you have, they had given almost 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines. So in the 10 lines, use the last 2 lines for your conclusion, saying that I hope you may come to the birthday party of mine next week, or something that you are waiting for the letter, or in that way you can write whatever it might be your conclusion. So try to complete the letter and send it through WhatsApp. Okay kids, thank you.